Cyberduck pricing explained what you get for your money. Cyberduck is a popular file transfer client, but most people get this wrong. They think it's a page-only tool. The surprising truth is that Cyberduck is free for basic use, and you only pay if you want optional features or support. For individual users, the free version provides robust FTP, SFTP, WebDAV, and cloud storage access with no time limits. You won't believe how many integrations are included. It supports Amazon's Google Cloud, Backblaze, and Microsoft Azure, making it a powerful solution for personal and professional file management. Donations and paid versions available for Windows and via the Mac App Store start at about, which helps fund ongoing development and offers priority support. Most people get this wrong by assuming free means limited. Cyberduck's free version is fully functional, and the paid option is more about convenience and supporting the project. In conclusion, Cyberduck pricing is straightforward and user-friendly. By understanding the difference between free functionality, optional donations and paid support, you go from zero to pro in managing cloud and server files efficiently without overspending.